Here's your wax. Are you
I was hitting him too hard from the back.
and just
He
sticks
didn't really
on
go
there?
surfing. No, he was riding this way. You guys see me doing some hands, headstands.
First time. Perfect timing. Solid.
Is this stock?
Are you stuck? I'm so dead from last night, man. It's like going to Vegas. It's worse.
Road's closed, pizza boy. Road's closed. Dude, they're so cute.
The road's closed, pizza boy.
Locals only.
Get Riley.
Yo, you look great though.
Hey, thank you, bro. Chinese to be you, bro.
I want to puke. I'm stressed. I gotta do this speech. Do you want to practice on me? No. I practice on you. It's not that long. The Cheddar's gonna come in on a motorcycle. He's gonna do a backflip in the middle. Like fireworks are gonna go off.
Hey, what's the countdown? 5 minutes?
I cut out one of
5, 4, 3.
I'm gonna throw up during the speech if I eat right now.
Mr. Harpenter.
My car all the time. Every time they break,
What do you do on stage, dude?
Riley right here somewhere. So Riley, the mic is to you. Hart may not be a blood Hart, but in my book, he's just as close to me as my actual brother.
Oh shit. E-Man!
Oh no, he's having a great time over there.
Yo, let's invite him over, dude. E-Man!
Not everyone whose E-Man is our E. $6 by our house, but look at this, dude. Look at, god damn.
This is about $7 right here.
Yeah, $7.
What's up? Dude, this is the ultimate. Wow, we made it from Fresno to over here. It's so hot over here. We have a fun collab with 200 Club. What's up,
Come
dog?
on, buddy. You got a shirt on this time? Thank God.
Yeah, right there. Oh my gosh. Han. What should I call you? Jasper or Arena?
Hey, it's my car while he's in Arizona.
Boom.
What a turnout, baby.
How you been? Dude, we're gonna have a 2-step battle with you and the TT, and maybe Castle. And that too. Is it? Your Celsius?
Oh, he's here too. Right.
Oh my gosh. Damn, dude, how much do you have, dude?
I have 0
Even the star right? All right, we'll see you in a bit. We'll see you in a bit. Oh my gosh, dude. Travis. Hey, what's up, man? Thanks for coming, Devin. Hey, we'll see you later, Big D. Take it easy. I'll see you. You didn't bring one car. How many did you bring? Yeah! Thanks for coming out, man. Fucking A, dude. Gosh. The Bible studies are always fun, you know? You just gotta hang out and all that. We have a lot of... We'll continue waiting. Where am I going? What did you bring out, dude?
That's fire.
You brought it from Michigan, didn't you? Hey, you're on the news, bro. You're on the news.
Let's go over there.
Oh, you don't know him? Oh shoot. Yeah, just watch out for the cars, man. Oh, I thought you knew him.
Bro, he was like asking him like weird questions. I was like, what?
Oh my god, I thought that was your grandpa or like your uncle or something.
Packed.
What's going on over here?
I have no idea. I just was right there, so I was like, what the hell?
Yeah, I don't know. I was chilling with my camera and then I saw everybody show up.
Yeah.
I mean, those pretty cool cars. Yeah. Yeah, it is really nice.
Badass car.
Yeah. It matches your shirt. Yeah, it's my
Yeah, here's the address.
Oh no, don't do that.
We're going to Corona, your spot, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we go to Jazz.
We're going to my house. All right, man. We out here at the freaking base thing, and look at all these cars, man. Look at that. That thing was spitting flames earlier. Play the clip.
Alright, welcome back to another vlog. We're currently at 7-Eleven. Got enough.
I like how she licked their lips instead of answering the question. What was your favorite car today? The Twin Turbo was like sick.
I only do colors, so the pink one. Hot
The
pink
GTR Brianzilla.
One.
We're so good to car girls.
Yeah. What's up? Do you come here often? Sundays, yeah. I honestly forgot it was Sunday. I mean, it's like Friday, but no, you're right. I'm high. Smoke, what are you putting in your mouth?
Thank you.
Far on the meat.
It's fucking lame.
Mira's never gonna wash this car now. Think? I'm gonna get it yours now. Thank you.
You have one.
Yeah.
Fucking
No.
take it.
Dude, that thing's fucking quick. I have the pleasure of driving these beautiful ladies around.
You should just chauffeur us around.
Yeah.
Hey, rip out my shirt if you love me. It's his phone.